Now, I request our co-chairman, Dr. Prakasham Tata. He has got 64 years of experience in wastewater, just experience. And he has got like such an energy and zeal, like we ourselves like sometimes get ashamed of what's going on, like when he is saying that we're unable to catch up running with him. So, Dr. Tata, please come and give
Thank you, sir.
a few minutes.
Good morning. Come on, guys, wake up. There is a governor here in presence of us. Let us salute her for her good work here. And again, thank you all wholeheartedly for being here today in this beautiful weather in the beautiful city of Hyderabad. And thank you, those delegates who came from abroad, from Thailand, Germany, and the United States of America, which is my adopted land. I am born prior to independence in this country. I'm proud to be an Indian first. Then, of course, the country adopted me, the United States of America, and I'm a citizen of the proud country of the United States. Thank you all again one more time. Honorable Governor, we are really privileged to have you here, and you happen to be a South Indian. We love you for that. Thank you. Good morning. As the co-chair of the conference, I'm indeed delighted to all of you have here. And as a sequel to the first conference we held last year in this same beautiful city, one day before this conference. February is a nice month so that you can shed your clothes off, those Chicagoans who came here. Beautiful weather, enjoy it while you are here. Madam Governor, we arranged an MOU between the Environmental Protection Training and Research Institute and the Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago, where I worked for 29 years. There are a few of us. Please rise, those people who are from the Water Reclamation District. Come on, get up. These are the guys who, at our own request, came paying their own way to this conference. They're willing to help India. And I met, of course, the Honorable Minister K. Tarak Rama Rao and his Principal Secretary, Arvind Kumarji, in the Consul General's office in Chicago, and they made it possible to have this memorandum of understanding between the Water Reclamation District and the EPTRI. Now I request you, Governor, using your power, you can extend this MOU between the Telangana state across all the municipalities, and these people are willing to work for you, to help you without any money compensation. I will work for you. In 2020 and 21 budget, another South Indian great lady, Nirmala Sethuraman, allotted 12,300 lakhs of rupees for the water and sanitation programs. It's a lot of money. Both water and sanitation covered about 3.6 lakhs, I think, 1,000 lakhs of rupees for water supply alone. And all this money is going to be spent during this 1 year. And it will bring a lot of change, provided, there's a cautionary thing, this is my mantra, every time I come to India, preach it. You are spending all this money in the facilities that you're going to build, but if these are not operated properly, they're going to be a waste. So please, in your power of command, maintain a cadre of trained operators and maintenance managers so that the money that you're investing into the infrastructure is not going to get wasted. That's very important. It gives me a lot of grief when I come here every year and see the treatment plants. When I was sitting in a conference like this, Prakash Javadekar, the Minister of Environment and Forestry and Climate Change, I said, hey, Prakash, you have two names in common. My name is Prakash, you are Prakash. You're an environmentalist, I'm an environmentalist. Can you please tell me about the wastewater treatment system in India? He said there are 1,000 plants now, 80 of them are shut down, and 80% don't perform well. So with all these things I say, we need to develop a cadre of trained operators, and I cannot emphasize, we have some great operators here. Saeed, get up, 1 minute. You get up, sir. And Hitesh, please get up. These are plant managers, they're ready to serve India. You please take advantage of them. For nothing, you can do that. Thank you, sit down. And today, one more thing I want to tell you. The women of this country is a sole force. Around the world, women. This year we're putting a track Women Leaders Forum. And there are ladies here that came from America. Why should they come here? There is nothing to enjoy here except the Taj Mahal, which they already visited. Something Golconda they're going to see in Hyderabad. But these people have a heart to help India. Remember that. So use them. If you don't use them, you're a loser. Please use them. And I call them the Adishaktis. They can bring change at the home level. They can train the kids. They can improve the WASH program that we're going to spend too much time. So spend some time with the women of this country. Please, wives and mothers, I salute you today. Those are the three messages I want to give you. Again, start the WASH programs at home. Salute your mothers. Be grateful to your grandfathers, grandparents for bringing you to this universe. And thank them. Indeed, your leaders, those people who pay your paychecks, just pray for their health so that you get paid every month on the time. So again, thank you. Wish you this conference a great success. Madam Governor, I'm so glad to see you. Beautiful lady. Look at that. Give it a big clap. Come on. Thank you for gracing this occasion. We love you. But the sweet lady that's sitting here, so look at her smile. So thank you very much again. Thank you.